It's filming. Shows a red light when it films.
What are you trying to beat me for?
So like making films, I told you.
Weird.
It's the end of a long journey for our weary travelers. The seaside town of Torquay. What? So what is my heart think of the prices that they pay along the way?
What are you
The
doing?
other thing I find good about service stations, to be absolutely honest, are the toilets. They are second to none. They're very, very good. But apart from that, unless I was absolutely starving, I would not use them because the prices are absolutely horrendous.
Thousands will be contacted after Great Britain, so to tackle more of these problems and do it face-to-face. In September, we are in Manchester with a team of experts on hand to offer advice.
We've teamed up with BBC Learning to open our own pop-up shop here in Manchester, and it's going incredibly well. We've had lots and lots of response. Let's catch up with it.
Carolyn D dropped by. I'm thinking that she's having to pay for the privilege of staying with her phone and broadband bill.
They've introduced a £5 non-direct debit charge of £5. So in other words,
yeah, so if you want to write a cheque for your bill, it costs you £5 to pay that way, yeah.
Yes, unless you pay via direct debit, you have to pay the £5 handling charge, which I think is wrong. They've now introduced a paper billing charge of £1.50. So what do you mean?
Aww, cute.
Well, unfortunately, it's not unique in the market nowadays. Providers in all